Okay, we are going to figure out the slope when using coordinate grid paper or graphing paper. And remember, slope equals m equals rise over run, which is a change over y, change in x. So first we have AB, and if you notice, you go up 1, 2, 3, and then you go over 1, 2, 3, 4. So this creates the triangle, okay? So the slope, it goes up 1, 2, 3, and it goes over 1, 2, 3, 4. So the slope, since it goes up and it goes to the right, it's positive. So the slope is a change over y over the change over x, okay? Now if we go to C and D, we see that it goes up 1, 1, so that's 2. 1, 1, 1 is 3. So again, it's going up 2, it's going over 3. So DC slope is 2 over 3. Now, when you look at these lines that the segment makes from point to point, you notice it's going to the right, and there's not a negative number in the slope. So this is a positive slope, okay? The direction is considered positive. Now, when we go up to the EF, if we go up to the EF, we're going to be going down 1, 2. And then we're going to go to the right 1, 2, 3. So since we're going down, it's negative 2. And we're still going to the right, so that's a positive 3. So the slope for EF is negative 2 over 3. Then if we go to G and H, we're going to go down 1, 2, and we're going to go to the right, G2. So again, we're going down, negative 2, but we're going over 2 with a positive number. So GH slope is negative 2 over 2, which can be simplified to negative 1 over 1. Now again, if you look at these two, the lines are going in the opposite direction. So the direction, or the slope, is considered negative. When you see it go to the left, it's negative. Okay? Now we have a couple strange ones. When it goes straight up and down, it's vertical. And vertical is considered undefined. And then if you look at this slope below, it's horizontal, the direction, and it's considered zero slope. Okay? So this is undefined and this is 0. Now, one thing you need to notice, when you see the undefined slope, this up and down, the x coordinates are the same. When you look at the 0 slope, you're going to notice that the y coordinates are the same. Okay? One other thing that I think would benefit, and I didn't think about doing this, but if you had, like if you ended up having a slope of, say, negative 4 and negative 5, if you have two negative numbers, you're going to find that it becomes positive. So I just wanted to make sure you're aware of that. Okay? Thanks for listening.